so fast up the mountain as the sun fell.
Patuloy tayong maging masaya, patuloy tayong magmahal ng bawat isa. Ang purpose namin sa video is for memories. Someday, pabalikan namin, hindi lang basta alaala, pwede namin mapanood yung mga ginawa namin nung kami ay mga bata pa. Nung kami ay hindi pa mahina, nung kami ay mabilis pa maglakad, nakakapagmotor pa, nakakapunta pa kung saan-saan. Mababalikan namin lahat ito. So yun ang pinaka-purpose kung bakit din natin ginagawa ito.
So make these moments last.
Sino kami mo? Dito. Pwede mo siya i-wide, mas wide. Hindi. Ito. Sounds.
Pero Twin Towers.
Ang ganda ng t-shirt.
Video mo ako nagbibigay ako ng
Yeah.
Sa babae.
Life is a winding road,
Let's
no
go.
telling where it goes.
Ano?
Yung shirt na sa taas.
Ano?
Mga baby sa taas. Tapos na. Mag-guard.
Mami!
Taray!
Sana kas na na.
Yay!
One more Saturday night, you're wearing them jeans so tight. I'll keep waiting for the perfect moment when you're dancing like that with that shirt and that hat. God, I'll need just one more drink to
Success! Ayos? Ayos ba? Asan? Oo naman. Sige. Sige, parang may ikot. Baka tayo mo. Pag matagal ang ikot tuta, maganda yun.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
Ayaw mo? Bakit? Eh no, mga babies mo.
Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Kaya papaswerte.
Macho, ito na yung bagong model. Yan na yung bago ngayon.
Ang ano?
Ito yung gulong niya, oh.
Totoo yan?
Hindi. Ayun yung plate number niya, oh.
Totoo yan?
Ayun, oh, plate number niya.
Totoo yan?
Hindi. Ano lang yan, parang Minecraft. Mas nag-enjoy pa yung tita niya kaysa sa pamangkin niya. Oh. Mami! Mami! Paano kayo? Ganda oh.
There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
Hi! Ito na, pwede na. Game, pwede na to. Hold it.
Saan ka na?
Kuya, marunong siya mag-park ko. Marunong siya mag-park. Ano ba yan? Hindi, kailangan mo mag-bal.
Ay, oo nga.
Ang technique ka na kapag magpa-park ka or lilipo ka sa pinaka dapat yung side mirror. Kunwari, ito yung side mirror mo. Ito yung side mirror. Tapos kakanto ka. Pag tumapat ka sa side mirror, yung shoulder mo, tsaka mo i-turn left, pull yung bela para hindi ka sasayad. Kasi pag lumiko ko ng mas maaga, natama ka. Dapat side mirror, shoulder yung pagtandaan mo.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, better off tomorrow. Who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Ayan na, creepy cream. Creepy cream. Ano na? Sige na. May picture lang daw si Macho. Creepy cream. Sige na. Oh. Pili mo na to.
Smile. Hindi kita yung creepy cream mo. Smile.
Pindutin mo yung creepy cream para
Hindi nga eh.
Hindi, pindutin mo lang.
Ano pindutin?
Ano mo, zoom out mo. Ayan o. Isa pa. Macho.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like.
Ayaw mo?
There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful.
Bakit?
And I'm so
Lipit?
lucky to be yours.
Careful ka.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Ano ka ba?
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love.
Eh, may ano
You
po
set my
yun?
wheels in motion.
Yung kabila.
I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know that I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change. I only want
Ayun, no? Ferris wheel, oh. Game. Kasya tayo dyan. Okay, ground floor. Hindi tayo kinaya kasi mabigat tayo. Nag-overload yung ano, ang tag doon? Ang tag doon?
Capacity.
Hindi, yung ano sa kaya na yun? Elevator. Kaya pa naman.
Na-down mo yung Wi-Fi.
Sino?
Hindi, na-down mo yung Wi-Fi.
Oo nga, na-down.
Hindi, guys.
Alright, hi. Nauna pa tayo sa kanila.
Bagal nila.
Saan na sila?
Ang bagal.
Sure ako pag ganito sila. Saan na sila? Wait natin sila dito. Dito yung dadaan eh. Dito yung lalabas. Matthew!
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? Gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? No, I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When I put your hands in.
Ayun, may dala sila nak. Ayun, may dala sila yun. May bit-bit silang pagkain yata yun. Ayun, may pagkain niya. Oh.
Tabo.
Ano yan? Wow, sarap niyan.
Ako pa
Anong flavor? Oh, chocolate kay kuya. Oh, kay kuya yung sago. Kuya, ano ko na? Ikaw na.
Isa lang. Yung masarap.
Ay, kay Kuya to eh. Paalam ka muna. Kuya, pwede kainin to?
Pwede.
Pwede. Ayun, pwede. Pwede.
Pwede daw.
May takot siya sa height, ano?
Lalo may
Parang hindi magkakilala yung dalawa eh.
Tawa ba?
Kinakabahan ka pa? Hindi. Normal lang. Kaya? Ready na? Acho, gawin naman dyan.
To lead me out of darkness, give me a little faith. Something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. You came to me,
Ah,
you gave me reason.
Acho yung ala.
I almost can't believe it.
Oh, sarap.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. That's the way I ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine?
Sigaw.
Gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am wake up in the sky. Will you put your hands
Hindi
in
siya makasigaw,
mine?
nalulula.
Gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch, it's
Nakakahilo
when
rin
we
pala
really
to.
come alive.
Acho, awas ka lang.
'Cause when we
enjoy.
touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel